Hmm? I bet a lot of them, yeah, don't know it's there, for one, and number two, can't get back in there.
Yeah, unless they're riding a horse.
Well, even with a horse, it'd be difficult. Yeah.
They're high enough up where even with a horse would be hard to clear.
Some of the trees were, you know, head high.
Oh, really?
Falling down. Others are chest.
That would be a little hard.
Yeah, so it wouldn't be an easy ride even on a horse.
Huh. Pretty good. Oh, Grant will do get sick. Take a power up there. Mr. Rob put down 2 cars from McReynolds today. Start the 2012 list.
Yep.
I'll be happy about that one. Check. You'll love that. Usually get about $1,000 every year.
Not bad.
In some years it's like $950, $975. Other years it's like $1,050. But and that's all on an honor system. That's with me trying to remember everything in the middle of summer. I'm not a crap. And there's no way they're keeping track of a lot of days.
They're not there. Yeah, here's that road.
They just do it on honor. Yeah, right here.
And I went up quite a ways, easily a mile.
Where did you park?
Parked there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I parked there and waited for traffic to clear and just ran up it.
Were you on a bike? Or
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Whenever I heard traffic, I just dropped the bike, hide, till I got up there about 500-600 yards, and then you couldn't see me.
You could ride all the way to Old Faithful, but what is that, 45 miles? About there, 60. Yeah, I think it's 45.
40.
Yeah,
40 at least.
I think it's 45, maybe 50, because I always remember there's 110 to Jackson Old Faithful. Jackson the flag 60, 65. So, like riding it on a bike, you get the old feeling of what the hills are like.
Oh yeah.
Driving the car,
That's for sure.
and after you stop, there's actually not a mellow there for a little bit. That may be another reason why Bill don't do it. It's all uphill. You gotta wanna ride a little up there a bit. Do it. What's the mileage at?
4.9.
Oh, so you only need 3 up. Yeah, huh?
Yep.
Well, I just think the way back. Coming out. But this is one more. This might be hit the canyon, I don't know.
No.
I think we got one more straightaway going up. I saw a pole the other day. Pretty big guy Sammy at Creekside. Some girl. He had a, it looked like a 29er unicycle.
Wow.
Massive wheel. It's like, I gotta make some sense, because you'd be able to cover a little more ground.
Still.
Going up to the Inner Park Road, this is before it opened the vehicle track. We broke that last weekend. I don't think it's that moving. What's he doing today? He says he wants that whole bagel thing.
The whole bagel thing in the winter, and
Like that split gun thing or whatever it's called.
the maze.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
You didn't work at the King last year, right?
No. Or the year before.
I think on that next hill, I think that might,
Yeah, it started a canyon.
the canyon will start right up there, I think, won't it?
It does.
This doesn't look too bad. We did the, looks like we did the worst of the climb right there. I mean, it's still going to be up. You don't have a GPS on that thing, do you?
Yeah, I do.
What are we at height-wise?
Oh,
Did you calibrate?
doesn't show that. I'd have to. It's calibrated, but it doesn't give you your elevation.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay.
It's one of those Garmin 200s.
Oh, okay. Is it a Garmin?
Yeah, it's basically just a souped up cyclometer.
Oh, okay.
Gives you your
Is that
time.
the new one you got?
Yeah. So it'll still track everything you do,
Right.
and you can download it, but
Yeah, you can see it right there. That was the beauty of those guys that I took on that tour of the Tetons.
uh-huh.
They both had, like Garmin 400s, it was like 500s. They were fancier models. But they'd always tell me altitude, how much how much vertical we climbed, all that crap. You could download onto a computer, make a map out of it.
Yep. You can easily.
Yeah. They keep track of their rides. I got and started getting into it after I hung out with them for 5 days.
Thought about getting one, huh?
Yeah,
And then
I thought about it, and then I thought, another gadget for the hunger man that I'll use for a little bit. I won't use as much as I should. I mean, it would be nice when you're doing exploratory stuff, or people are really into it, you can tell them how far you rode. But I used to do, 10 years ago, we used to have real simple Avocet deals, and then for some reason I stopped using computers. I don't know why.
probably because they broke.
Well, no, I don't think they broke. I just didn't want to use them anymore. I knew what, I knew somewhat what I climbed. The one that fooled me is I always thought the thing was 1,400 feet.
No, it's 16.
God, that's what I was just going to say. So I think top check is 78 something, right?
7810. 7810.
78 okay. So that other little peak to the east of the towers, what's that? You know what I'm saying? It's almost 8?
Probably 8.
That's what I thought. Yeah, like when I was climbing this winter, I was always telling people, oh yeah, I climbed 1,400 feet. And then I look at the map and I'm going, oh crap, Hunter, you're climbing 1,600 feet.
Yeah.
Granted, I was climbing from Grandview, but that's not that much higher, from the Rafferty side. But that's not that much. Because I park up over there and go up those, those service roads, up Cass.
Right, right.
Yeah, it was on my,
That's 100 feet.
Is it?
Yep. My house is at 64.
Oh, your house is at 64? Okay.
Yep.
What is town? I always tell people it's 62.
It's
Is it almost
60. It's like 62.1,
Okay.
62.10
Got
by
it.
the hospital. And then it's like 61.90 at the base at Snow King.
Oh, so, okay.
And then about,
You mean at Phil Bro- at the
yeah.
ballpark? Yeah.
And then over by Smith's, it's like 61.
Oh, okay, that's the low point. Got it. Okay, okay. Spring Creek is, well, the top is 69, way up to those private homes, and where you drop the tapers off is 67 something, 740.
Makes sense.
Or maybe it's the other way around. No, I think the ranch house is 69, that's the case. And the top's like 71. So, yeah, because when I climb that, it's 700 feet to the ranch house, and 900 if I go to the top. This is where we should come out. Right out here. Oh, we see that guy. Pull up right after we did. You didn't see it. Yeah, probably a good thing we weren't putting clients on it.
Huh. I don't think they'd enjoy it.
Oh, I'd love it, but they'd be dying. On the vine, man. They get to Lewis Lake. You guys could be out all day. You left your meat, dropped your line, had a whole day ride. Yeah, you know what? A little more snow. People were freaking out a little bit. Well, the girl was like training for either a marathon or a half marathon. Sounded like she took another job. She lives in Austin. She's with her mom. Took another job or a job in Boulder. And was going to try to run. Kind of like made a Boulder marathon or something. She wanted to get a 12-mile run in. Plus, I go for bike ride.
Who is this?
Just these people are renting from me.
Oh.
Yeah, from Four Seasons. So the mom was all freaked out. The car was being run by herself. She wanted that pepper spray. So I rented him some pepper spray for $10.
There you go.
Good on, buddy. Doggy, you should still up, huh? I know you're gonna flatten out.
Oh, hell no.
So he goes, oh, hell no.
It's been a while since you've been here.
Yeah, probably. 2 years. Yeah, you guys feel alright. I went up here once last year. I think I'm actually coming up in June. You know, Facebook trip. I've got two people signed up. Normally I would go for 2. But Reese has never done this trip. So I want to get him dialed where, you know, at least do it once. So if he's got to sell it, in the office he's got to sell it, he can sell it. So I might just take him and his 2 clients. Make a little bit of money, not much. I'm going to pay for lunches and gas and his salary. We'll make a little. See the guys are leaving. Hey guys.
Hello.
How you going? Yeah, they're trying to lay it up. Might have those 2 guys. One of them. I wouldn't mind taking a look at you. That's a free rider gone mountain bike. I mean, gone road bike. Uh-oh. Trouble. That's a long way down.
Oh yeah.
Getting the lift there. Passing out the old leg.
think it's the worst ever climb.
Yeah, look at this. Good shot. Good shot. Yeah. I just figured I'd stop here because you can look down and